Hello, this is your friend Love Oladele, and I want to quickly show you how to pay your membership fee. When you go into your account, you click on My Membership and you click on Pay Monthly Fee. Pay my monthly fee. So you click on, you can see the fee is here. You click on Checkout. So this is your fee. Then you click on Checkout here. So if you're paying with crypto, you need to choose Pay using crypto here. Yeah, you click on Pay using crypto. If you're paying with your bank card, you click on Pay with bank card. So if you click on it, you see either Pay with credit card or Pay with crypto. If you are paying with credit card, you need to put your credit card details. So if you click on Pay with crypto, you need to go and you need to go down, scroll down, and click on I understand and I agree. So I'm going to place this two, then I'll click on Place Order. So you do not have credit card, so that's because I chose credit card. I've not chosen Pay with crypto. So I'll quickly go back and remember you must click on Pay with crypto. So I come back here and click on Pay with crypto. So once you click on Pay with crypto, I need to go down and click this. So I click on Pay with. So you click on Pay with crypto, then you choose the crypto that you want to give you all the options. So normally most of us go for USDT Tron. So you see is the last one there. USDT Tron is the last one there. Okay. So if you know about crypto already, once you click on USDT Tron, Tron, you are good to go. So if I click on USDT Tron, it will generate the address I want for me. So all you need to do is to copy this address. You see copy address here. So just click on it and you go to your go and pay from your Binance or your Remitano. So those who should know how to use crypto, I'm sure this lesson is good enough for you. So that's basically how to pay with external money. That's you want to take the money from outside. So I'm going to do how to pay using the internal money now, using the credit wallet. So that's the one I'll be doing for you now.